Question 501. How do you handle the introduction of new technologies or tools to a team that is resistant to change? When introducing new technologies or tools to a resistant team, I focus on a collaborative and transparent approach. I begin by clearly explaining the rationale behind the change, highlighting the benefits in terms of efficiency and productivity. Engaging team members in the decision-making process, I solicit their input on potential tools and allow them to express concerns. Offering training sessions and hands-on workshops can ease anxiety and boost confidence in using new tools. By creating a safe space for experimentation and feedback, I help the team gradually embrace the change, emphasizing that adaptation is a collective journey rather than an individual requirement. Question 502. Can you provide an example of how you have facilitated a successful brainstorming session? What techniques did you use? In a recent project, I facilitated a brainstorming session to generate ideas for a new feature. I started by creating a welcoming atmosphere, encouraging all team members to participate without judgment. I employed techniques like mind mapping to visually organize thoughts and affinity grouping to cluster similar ideas. To stimulate creativity, I introduced time-bound challenges, where team members had to generate ideas within a set time frame. Afterward, we voted on the most promising concepts, allowing everyone to have a say in the decision-making process. The session resulted in diverse ideas and a sense of collective ownership, ultimately leading to the successful implementation of the feature. Question 503. What are the key considerations when designing a CI/CD pipeline for a microservices architecture? When designing a CI/CD pipeline for a microservices architecture, several key considerations must be addressed. Firstly, each microservice should have its own isolated pipeline to ensure that changes can be deployed independently. This requires setting up a robust version control system that can handle multiple repositories. Automated testing is crucial, with unit tests and integration tests tailored for each service to ensure that they function correctly in isolation and in conjunction with others. Monitoring and logging must be integrated to quickly identify issues in production. Finally, the deployment strategy, such as blue-green deployments or canary releases, should be chosen to minimize downtime and risks during updates. Question 504. How do you prioritize tasks in a collective work environment, especially when dealing with competing deadlines? Prioritizing tasks in a collective work environment requires a systematic approach that balances urgency with importance. I start by facilitating a discussion with the team to understand each task's impact on project goals. Utilizing frameworks like the Eisenhower matrix helps categorize tasks into urgent and important, allowing us to focus on what truly drives value. I also encourage team members to voice their workloads and deadlines, which promotes transparency. Regular check-ins allow us to reassess priorities as new information arises. By fostering a collaborative decision-making process, we can collectively agree on priorities, ensuring alignment and commitment to meeting deadlines while maintaining quality. Question 505. In what ways can a collective work facilitator contribute to a team's cultural transformation? A collective work facilitator plays a vital role in cultural transformation by promoting a culture of collaboration, openness, and continuous learning. They can initiate team-building activities that reinforce shared values and strengthen relationships. By modeling inclusive behavior and encouraging diverse perspectives, facilitators help create an environment where all voices are heard. Regular feedback sessions can promote transparency and accountability, fostering a culture that values improvement. Additionally, a facilitator can advocate for psychological safety, ensuring that team members feel comfortable expressing their ideas and concerns. This cultural shift not only enhances team dynamics, but also drives innovation and engagement. Question 506. How do you evaluate the success of a project in a collective work environment? Evaluating the success of a project in a collective work environment involves multiple dimensions. I start by assessing whether the project met its objectives and delivered the desired outcomes, which can be measured against predefined KPIs. Team feedback is also essential. I conduct retrospectives to gather insights on what worked well and what could be improved. Additionally, I consider the quality of collaboration throughout the project, such as communication effectiveness and conflict resolution. Client or stakeholder satisfaction is another critical metric, as it reflects the project's impact beyond the team. By combining these evaluations, I can derive a comprehensive understanding of project success. Question 507. Describe how you would approach implementing a new Agile methodology in a team that has been traditionally using a waterfall approach. Implementing a new Agile methodology in a traditionally waterfall team requires careful planning and communication. I would begin by explaining the principles and benefits of Agile, emphasizing flexibility and responsiveness to change. Engaging the team in discussions about their pain points with the waterfall method can help build a case for transition. I would then organize training sessions to familiarize team members with Agile practices, such as Scrum or Kanban. Starting with a pilot project allows the team to gradually adapt to Agile principles while minimizing disruption. Regular retrospectives would help refine the approach and ensure alignment with team dynamics throughout the transition. Question 508. What challenges have you faced in facilitating remote collaboration, and how did you overcome them? One significant challenge in facilitating remote collaboration has been ensuring effective communication across time zones. To overcome this, I implemented asynchronous communication strategies, such as using recorded video updates and detailed documentation to keep everyone informed, regardless of their working hours. I also established a clear schedule for regular check-ins that accommodate various time zones. Another challenge has been maintaining team engagement during virtual meetings. To address this, I incorporated interactive elements, such as polls and breakout discussions, to encourage participation. By being proactive and adaptable, I was able to foster a collaborative remote environment that kept the team connected and focused. Question 509. How do you ensure that technical debt is addressed in a collective work environment? Addressing technical debt in a collective work environment requires a proactive and collaborative approach. I advocate for regular discussions during sprint planning or retrospectives to identify and prioritize technical debt items alongside new features. By incorporating technical debt into the backlog, the team can allocate time for refactoring and maintenance tasks. I also encourage team members to document instances of technical debt as they arise, fostering a culture of awareness and responsibility. By emphasizing the long-term benefits of addressing technical debt, such as improved code quality and reduced future costs, I help the team understand its importance. This collective accountability ensures that technical debt does not accumulate unaddressed. Question 510. What strategies do you employ to maintain team motivation and morale during challenging project phases? Maintaining motivation and morale during challenging project phases requires a multifaceted approach. I begin by fostering open communication, allowing team members to express their concerns and frustrations. Acknowledging their feelings helps validate their experiences. I also emphasize celebrating small wins and milestones, as this can boost morale and provide a sense of progress. Regular check-ins help keep the team connected, allowing me to gauge their well-being and adjust workloads if necessary. Additionally, I encourage a culture of support where team members can lean on each other for assistance. By creating a positive atmosphere and maintaining focus on the overall goal, I help the team navigate challenges effectively. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.